Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on all the viewers on Twitch? We are live here on the 11th episode of the Crypto World News Daily Show. I am your host, Elliot, and I'm doing this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, live on Twitch. Love for you to join us. At the end of the show, we do take suggestions from you, the audience, on altcoins that you'd like for us to chart. Our next show will be Monday, January 11th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. We will be taking a live trade in that during that show. In today's Crypto World News show, we're going to be going over a little bit of Ethereum news, some Google Trends news, some Litecoin news, and some Bitcoin news. We've got a little bit of altcoins, no DeFi projects, no security concerns, no fundamental analysis for you. Next trade will be next week. Thank you for sticking with us, and I hope you enjoy.
My car payment is $250 a month and I am $15,000 in debt. I only have $1,000 to invest. I hate being poor. I want money now. Gamer token is up 200%. Gamer token to the moon. It will go back up. The developers have a plan.
No matter what happens, I will never sell my Bitcoin.
I need to get out of this trade position before I lose any more money.
Activate Quantum Trampoline. Dump it.
Going on to our first news article of the day, looking at some Ethereum news. Has Ethereum possibly ETH 2.0? 2% of ETH supply now staked on ETH 2.0 deposit. Total locked volume as the crypto market cap reaches over $1 trillion. ETH 2.0 growing more decentralized. ETH is basically the token that's currently in use for most of these protocol platforms and DEXs. ERC20 tokens are extremely popular in the majority of coins. Ethereum's next move. According to the latest data from Grayscale's ETH Trust Fund, Ethereum's holding have been growing to nearly 3.3 billion from 2.17 billion in January of 2021. Okay, ETH. Okay, ETH. So the amount of Ethereum that is being locked in the DeFi network is increasing. That's what we are seeing. Going on to our next article. Google Trends. Are Bitcoin Google Trends going down? Could that be a sign of a potential correction in the near future? Historically, we have seen that as the unstoppable Bitcoin goes up, then Google Trends follow. But the sentiment is soon to possibly break down. Will Bitcoin follow? Looking at the Bitcoin sentiment right here, the Google search trend has turned down. Will price follow? Source is Google Trends. Let's take a look. Boom. Google Trends, Bitcoin. Boom. Down. We're looking at a live analysis. Drop all this, all these links, all the news articles, everything you want down below in the description. Google search trends and Bitcoin. Will the price follow? The trend of Bitcoin. FOMO is already initiated. People who have wanted to buy Bitcoin bought Bitcoin. Flare Network to add integration Litecoin as SEC and XRP is an unregistered, or alleges XRP is an unregistered security. So, Flare Network is setting aside 5 billion tokens for Litecoin holders. This is extremely bullish news and great for Litecoin holders. I myself am a Litecoin holder. Delisting will not affect the airdrop. Okay, yada yada yada. But basically, we are going to be dropped 5 billion FLR tokens, the Ripple-backed Flare Network, which is cool. It looks like a majority of them, 15% of the total airdrop, distributed over 2 years. The process is expected to take a maximum of 34 months. Going over to Twitch chat. Nothing. You guys got nothing to say. I couldn't believe that it fell right down on my face. Oh, I already had it up. Alright, that was our last crypto news articles. We talked about the $5 billion tokens that's being distributed to, FLR tokens being distributed to Litecoin holders, which is fantastic news. We talked about the Google search trend down, will price follow? Timothy Peters believes that the trend will break down as the Google Trends has. The price will, Bitcoin will soon follow. And we also talked about ETH 2.0, the supply, 2% of the Ethereum supply is now staked. As Bitcoin breaches the $1 trillion market cap. And we'll be right back after these pretty commercial breaks.
$60,000 for a roll of toilet paper? Back in my day, toilet paper was $30,000.
It sucks that I missed out on Bitcoin.
You didn't miss anything. You'll be crying again when people are trading Bitcoin for twice the current value.
Bitcoin isn't backed by anything either.
It's backed by proof-of-stake mining. Bitcoin is valuable because it has a fixed supply. It cannot be inflated.
And we are back. We've got no sound on our audio, no sound on our video. Elliot, you suck at doing a Crypto World News daily show. Gosh, why can't we have someone else do it? I know, guys. I don't get paid enough. I need more people. I need a tech guy in here. We need this guy. All right, let's take a look at our Bitcoin. This is our last thing that we are going to be doing today. So if you have any coins you'd like for me to chart, now is the time. Drop them in the chat. First coin we're going to be looking at today is Band. Band was up 20%, trading at 10 bucks. 4 hour could be in potential breakout. We could have just started this move, seeing a breakout target of about $13 on a monthly. Band is a staking coin. You can stake for 17% on a Bitcoin wallet. Let's look at another coin. EOS really hasn't moved a whole lot. There's a lot. I wouldn't be surprised if this coin doubled though in like the next week or so. ADA, strong fundamental coin. We've been looking at this for a while. We're kind of looking at the higher time frames. This would be like your profit target. So either we're gonna come back or we're gonna break out and go to our next level. BNB is also a pretty decent coin that has a lot of potential this year, being that it is a exchange coin. Litecoin, let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin on the monthly is just gonna do some really, really crazy stuff. I suspect Litecoin should be 0.01 BTC. So what does that mean? Let's look at that. LTC BTC. LTC BTC. Polo. There we go. Ooh, okay. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. So Litecoin, 0.01 Bitcoin would be right here, just so you can grasp. 0.01 Bitcoin is right here for Litecoin, and that would be a 151% move up. I think that's what the value at least should be, if not more, considering the supply of Bitcoin is a fourth the supply of Litecoin, and Litecoin is essentially the test net of Bitcoin. Your mic is all right though. Okay, well that's good. Any other coins that I can chart for you guys here today? Let's look at Ripple. Ripple is doing some weird stuff. If Bitcoin should decide that it's done with its bull move, which impossible at the time, we'll never know. So we'll look at it. We'll look at Ripple later. This is nothing exciting here. I was excited for a second, and then Bitcoin just started doing what it does best. So we saw a little bit of a sell-off, I guess, on Litecoin yesterday, or not Litecoin, I'm sorry, Ethereum at our 12,000 or 1,280 target, and that was quickly bought up. So once we breach above that, we can look at our next target of pretty much like 2.3k ETH. So pretty exciting for Ethereum. I'm not really sure if you can go wrong in 2021 buying ETH. Just buy it for whatever, $1,200, whatever it is now, and look at it 2 years, 3 years later. I don't know. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and education purposes only, Monday through Friday, live on Twitch, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No coins. You guys don't have any coins for me to chart, really. All right. Looking at the Bitcoin monthly here. Bitcoin monthly, we are in no man's land, really. There would be. I would not be surprised. If A, we consolidated here, or B, we lost this and we got back below 34K for a monthly close. Just because our next move up would be like 48K. Yeah, something like that. So Bitcoin's in no man's land territory. What do I mean by no man's land territory? Well, if we look at the actual Crypto World News stream, we can see the volume profile visible range. And basically what that means is there's not a lot of liquidity in between these zones. So they just kind of, when they break out, they just kind of run like we're seeing. So maybe liquidity is not the right terminology. Resistance, support, chart data, price discovery. Let's look at the BTC 4 hour, looking pretty stellar, pretty fantastic. There's no sign of this. This is looking like it's ready to go to 48K. So Bitcoin, yep. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this crypto. All right, well, I tried to figure it out. We will figure it out next week. I can get you to work some hours. Peace out. Thanks for allowing your browser. Sorry, no worries. Yes, thank you guys for watching. And I really do appreciate all of your support, all of your viewership. We got 16 people here, even though that we are being buggy and we are being glitchy and whatever. My last leaving thoughts of today, let's look at the CoinMarketCap really quick. CoinMarketCap trading, we have $1 trillion, almost 1.1 trillion in cryptocurrency market cap. Will we come back from that? And that will we break under $1 trillion again? I don't think so. $200 billion 24-hour trading volume, which is huge. I believe that's a $60 billion trading increase from yesterday. BTC dominance up 0.6% from yesterday. Any DeFi, anything great? No, let's go to crypto. Biggest movers, 24 hours. Hedera hash graph up 50%. Biggest losers, NMX down 21%. This has been your Crypto World News Daily Show production. I am your host, Elliot. I hope you've enjoyed, and we will be doing this Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. If you have anyone who's interested in cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, I would love to teach them or educate them and everything that I know. So send them my way, send them to Crypto World News, let them know, and I appreciate your guys' support. We will be back next week. The show's only getting better from here. Thank you so much. Share the knowledge. Stay safe this weekend.